Updating your legal name on Fastmail is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account reflects your new name quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Fastmail account. Access your Fastmail account by entering your credentials on the Fastmail login page. Make sure you are using the correct account that needs the name update. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select the Personal Information section. In the Account Settings menu, find and select the Personal Information section. This area allows you to manage your name and other personal details associated with your account. Step 4. Update your legal name. In the Personal Information section, you will see fields for your name. Enter your new legal name in the appropriate fields. Double-check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your name, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to save your changes, and you should receive a confirmation that your name has been updated successfully. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on Fastmail will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Fastmail support for assistance.